Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. What is Threadless? A simple explanation. Threadless is an online creative marketplace and print-on-demand platform where artists and designers can turn their artwork into real products and sell them worldwide. It focuses mainly on items like t-shirts, hoodies, posters, phone cases, bags, and other lifestyle products. The idea behind Threadless is simple. Artists create the designs and Threadless handles everything else: printing, product quality, shipping, customer service, and payments. This makes it possible for creatives to earn money without worrying about inventory, production, or logistics. Think of Threadless as a place where creativity meets business, but without the usual headaches of running an online store. How Threadless works explained simply. When you join Threadless, you create an artist account and upload your original designs. After that, you choose which products your designs will appear on, such as shirts, hoodies, or accessories. Once your designs are live, customers browse Threadless or your personal artist shop. Customer places an order. Threadless prints the product on demand. Threadless ships it directly to the customer. You earn money from that sale. You never touch the product, never ship anything, and never deal with customer complaints. How a user can benefit from Threadless. 1. Sell your art without inventory. You don't need to buy products up front or store anything. Products are printed only when someone orders them. This removes financial risk and makes Threadless ideal for beginners. 2. Create your own online shop. Threadless allows you to open your own artist shop with your branding, designs, and pricing. It looks like a professional online store without needing technical skills or a website. 3. Earn money from every sale. You earn money by setting your product prices. The difference between the base cost and your chosen price becomes your profit. Every time someone buys your design, you earn automatically. 4. Passive income potential. Once your designs are uploaded and promoted, they can keep selling over time. One good design can generate income repeatedly without extra work. 5. Global reach. Your designs can be purchased by people from around the world. You are not limited to local customers, which greatly increases your earning potential. Ways to make money on Threadless. 1. Artist shop sales. Your main income comes from people buying directly from your artist shop. You control the prices, product selection, and presentation of your designs. 2. Marketplace exposure. Threadless also has a main marketplace where selected designs are shown to a larger audience. If your design is featured there, it can generate more sales due to higher visibility. 3. Design challenges and competitions. Threadless sometimes runs design challenges where artists can win cash prizes, bonuses, or special promotions for their work. 4. Brand building. Some artists use Threadless as a way to build a personal brand. Over time, your shop can grow into a recognizable name, leading to more sales and even opportunities outside the platform. Who is Threadless best for? Graphic designers and illustrators, digital artists and creative hobbyists, people who want to sell merchandise online, creatives looking for passive income, anyone who wants to monetize art without upfront costs. You don't need to be famous or highly experienced. Consistency and creativity matter more. Tips to increase your earnings on Threadless. Upload multiple designs instead of relying on just one. Offer your designs on many product types. Keep your shop updated with new artwork. Promote your shop on social media. Follow trends while keeping your own style. The more designs you upload and promote, the higher your chances of steady income. Threadless is a powerful platform for turning creativity into income. It removes the technical and financial barriers that stop many artists from selling their work. If you enjoy designing and want a simple way to sell your art on real products, Threadless offers a realistic opportunity to earn money while focusing on what you love most, creating. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Leave your comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.